Hello, today we are going to edit your profile. For this reason, find your name in the top right corner. When you click it, you'll see this bar. Click Profile and you'll get here. Now you see my profile, how it looks like. My name, my picture, some information about myself, my badge, and so on. How to do that? Find please this bottom, this one, and click it please, and you see Edit Profile, and you see that you can type your name, your surname, email address, and you can choose something whether everybody can see your email address or not. Also the information about where you live, the country, the town, and the time zone, which is important, of course, for everyone. And then you write some information about yourself, so other participants of the course understand who you are, what you teach, what you do, what you like to do, and so on. When you scroll the screen, you see this very part, and you can upload your picture. How do you do that? You can open your computer and you can just find your picture and you can upload it, and you'll see that a new picture appears instead of that, and you choose. If you decide this very picture, you click Update Profile and another picture will appear instead of this. But I don't want to do it, so good luck to everyone. I hope it was useful for you.